Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I ordered some packages from Knots of Love. So let's take a look at what I got. So they come like this. Make sure. Okay, that's everything. It comes with a card like this, and they put a thank you note in here, handwritten. It says, thank you for making a difference, enjoy your crochet kit, and your it's a mystery bag, and they hand sign it, which is fantastic. So I got a mystery bag and I got a crochet kit. So let's take a look at the crochet kit. It comes with the band and a tag on it. Let's see. Doesn't say anything, it just has the tag. Let's untie it. Alright. And it's got the wristband. And it says Knots of Love on it. And obviously it says it on the bag. And in the kit, we got a pattern to make hats. So that's really cool. I like that. And in here, there is a soft touch clover hook in an H. And there's a little zipper pouch. And it tells you how to do your Amazon Smile to help out. To select Knots of Love. How to help out with your grocery store. And just open it up. Right there. And in here is a Knots of Love tape measure. There it is. And it has the push button on it. And the card, which tells you all about Knots of Love. And you go to knotsoflove.org and you get a button. Pick them up here. A couple of stitch markers. And a nice tapestry needle. This is a nice one. So put these back in so I don't lose them. And the zipper thing says Knots of Love on it. Don't want to lose this. It's actually really nice. I like that. And you get some yarn. Oh, I kind of recognize that. See, it says Knots of Love. And this yarn, this reminds me of a yarn done by A.C. Moore. I could be wrong. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But it looks like a yarn done by A.C. Moore. It's really soft. It does have the start right there. But that's what it reminds me of. Reminds me of a yarn by A.C. Moore. So there's the yarn. I'll get quite a few hats out of this. Definitely like 3, probably. Maybe a couple more. So I'm going to put this all back in the bag. I'll be making these and donating these to my local, where they do the cancer treatments at. I'll definitely be doing that. Now for the mystery bag. Alright. Also on the mystery bag, where they tie these pretty good, you get another Knots of Love wristband right there. And I got some Trendsetter yarn on Icon, 36 alpaca, 35 polyamide, 10% silk, 14% cotton. And there is a 165 yards, 50 grams, 1.75 ounces. Oh. And here is the color in the dye lot. It is made in Italy, and that's really pretty. Look at that. That's really pretty. And then I got a couple more in here. Oh, these are nice. And then I got this one by Trendsetter. Trendsetter Zucca. And this is 58% tactile and 42% polyamide. Let's see. There it is. It is 50 grams, 1.75 ounces. There is 71 yards. And it is considered a bulky weight. And I got 2 of them. I really like that color. But because of the fluff on it, it's considered a bulky weight. So I got these 3 yards. Ooh, they're really... This one's soft, but these 2 are really soft. Softer. Ooh, really squishy. And let's make sure that's all that's in the bag. Oh, no. Oh, I got another tape measure. So that was pretty good. I like that. And the money goes to support Knots of Love. So I think it's well worth supporting them. So go over and check out knotsoflove.org. It's well worth it. I will hold up the card again for you to go check out Knots of Love. Make sure that there it is. Go check out Knots of Love, guys, and help them out. Definitely go help them out. Grab a mystery bag and grab a kit. They have crochet kits and they have knitting kits. So go over and help them out, guys. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.